In this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can delete your Threads account without deleting your Instagram account. So for that, you need to open your Threads application on your device, launch it, and log into your specific account. Then after, select your profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, click on the two lines in the top right corner. From here, go to Account Center. And here under Threads, go ahead and select Manage. You can see that it's indicating your Threads account. Now go ahead and select deactivation or deletion. Deactivating account is temporary and your profile will be hidden for the time you deactivate, and you can reactivate your account anytime you like by simply entering your ID and password. But deleting your account is permanent. If you're willing to delete your account, go ahead and select delete account and then select continue. Now you need to again review and select continue. Give a reason for deletion and select continue. Go through on-screen instructions, and if you want to export your information, you can click on export info. Otherwise, go ahead and select continue again. Last but not least, you need to go ahead and enter the correct password of your Threads account. As I do not have a specific password for my Threads and I log in along with my Instagram account, I need to create a password before I delete this account. If you already have a password, a new menu will appear with a box and you need to simply enter your Threads password over there and then select continue to delete your account. And your Threads account will be scheduled for permanent deletion after 1 month. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.